Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty.
Hey guys, so just real quick, there are some negatives to losing 85 pounds in 8.5 months. And take a look, I'll show you guys what I mean. I guess I'm gonna have to start saving for a body makeover. I guess, but it comes with losing weight. So I guess that's gonna be my next to do. So of course I'm gonna try to work out more and do things to tighten it up. But it's in some of this loose skin is in some of those very hard to tighten zones. So if anybody else out there has had this with GLP-1 over such a short period of time, let me know. And let me know what you did. Let me know what exercises you did. So thanks, you guys. Do you guys have flabby skin too?
Baby girl, you are so pretty, pretty.